Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I have a premium luxury gold and jewelry label collection. These files in EPS file for Adobe Illustrator. First I show you. You can change everything, text or logo, colors, etc. if you want. So first, second, you can change everything. Wow. You can change color, you can write your own text. So I drag in Photoshop, sorry, Adobe Illustrator, drag to Adobe Illustrator. I have Adobe Illustrator CC 2018, silence, culling time, increase, yes, okay. So you can see here in layer areas everything, every shape have a layer. You can change deeply. I wanna see here, I wanna show you. You see this one by one, and you can change every color. For example, I click this and I change a color. You can see here, and you can change text. Sorry, you can delete it and write your own text. This file is not editable part. So I know you can better now. Here is, wow, there is light pink color, and here is light gold. So I change, for example, is this color. Oh, so bad. So this means you can change everything. I open next file, these files don't show again. Yes, 100% original design, genuine, and you can change different text or your shop name or your brand name right here. First you remove it, delete and delete. Delete it and write your own text. For example, I write my channel name here, Sheri. Why? Okay. You can adjust your color, etc. if you want. I adjust here, for example, I show you just here is editable files, and your choice you can do easily. Last file, Adobe Illustrator. Wow, circle color is green or sky blue, and you can change every color. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.